Raja Chhatrasal Bundela is mature, preaches Anand Dharma, fortune teller of Bundel continent. Even today they are worshipped before Lord in Bundelkhand. Bundelkhand falls between two states of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Because the language here is Bundeli, Chhatrasal Mahabali. Please do it. As such a prayer. Raja Chhatrasal Bundela Maharaja's blessings are taken. Mastani is the Persian Yavana of one such King Chhatrasal Bundela on the 29th of August 1699 from wife Ruhani Bai Begum Oras was a princess. Mastani's education, upbringing, Raja Chhatrasal is the religious and social rites on her it was done by Bundela. That is why she dances, sings, swords, she was very proficient in archery. At the same time Saint Kabir, Saints Meera, Mastana, Keshavadas Tulsidas are her patrons with she also studied Urdu literature and Quran. The king as Chhatrasal is the beloved princess of Bundela. She is very although she has grown up in pampering and glory, she is beautiful and the rites of nobility were done. Experience Gajantalakshmi in person she had her tunic was studded with diamonds used to come and these diamonds were worth lakhs of rupees in those days it was worth it. King Chhatrasal Bundelas, owner of famous emerald-like diamond mines, was no less. The Wazir of Delhi, Muhammad Khan Bangesh, came walking after Chhatrasal Bundela. Then Raja Chhatrasal Bundela had to surrender before him. As Muhammad Khan Bangesh studied under Aurangzeb, discipline and the quality of persistence was fully in him. He confined the 80-year-old King Chhatrasal Maharaja in the camp. But Raja Chhatrasal Bundela had eaten the barsay of Muhammad Khan Bangesh and sent a letter to Baji Rao through spies pretending to surrender. Because at that time there was only one supreme man in the whole of India who would bring Delhi under control. He is Baji Rao Balaji Bhat, Peshwa. The world produced two Brahmins, Brigu and Baji Rao. Andhai Rajputians, Indhai Turks. This means that two Brahmins were named in the world. One was Parashuram who drowned the frenzied Kshatriya rulers. The other was Baji Rao Peshwa who did the same to the Turks. In the same letter, Raja Chhatrasal Bundela, the speed of Gajendra's planet is the speed of death today. Baji Jat Bundel ki raho Baji Shem, helping Baji Rao by quoting Gajantamosha. Begged 35 to 40,000 after receiving the letter Baji Rao himself with the army. Muhammad Khan marched on Bangesh gone. This move was made so quickly that Baji Rao was struck. Muhammad Khan Bangesh did not understand anything. Fast movement is an important part of Baji Rao's fighting skills was he won all the major battles he fought were Besawad. Muhammad Khan Bangesh got stuck in a fort. Mughal soldiers were shocked by Baji Rao's attack. By defeating the Wazir of Delhi, Muhammad Khan Bangesh by his mighty Baji Rao to King Chhatrasal Bundela set free with the help done by Baji Rao during the emergency. Happy King Chhatrasal Bundela of 32 lakhs annually looked at Baji Rao, a region with income, even more. As recompense and gratitude, one of his many queens, Ruhani Bai Begum, but his own beloved and beautiful Lavanyavati princess, Mastani, was royally married to Baji Rao Peshwa. At that time, Chhatrasal Raja gifted Baji Rao the land of Jahagiri worth 37.5 lakhs and a third share in the diamond mine at Panna. This third part is how much it was worth at that time. You can't imagine it. One thing is true that no one could value Baji Rao's bravery at that time. He was so brave and mighty. This gift by Raja Chhatrasal was in gratitude for Baji Rao's defeat of Mamand Bangesh who had invaded the Bundel continent. What is special is that prominent Maratha Sardars like Pilaji Rao Jadhav, Naro Shankar, Tukoji Pawar, Ranoji Shinde, Govindpant Kher, Dewalji Somvanshi were present at this wedding ceremony. On the occasion of Mastani's marriage, Chhatrasal Raja created the Maratha and Bundela Sorik. At that time, Bajirao was already married and monogamous by nature and family tradition. But he accepted Raja Chhatrasal Bundela out of respect. Bajirao's intention behind this marriage was Mastani Lavanyavati, but the real intention was that Bajirao did it as a political transaction. Delhi was Bajirao's definite target, and for that he needed to keep the rich and hostile state of the Mughals like Bundelkhand on his side. Bajirao needed this, had known in Pune. This marriage was not widely accepted due to the tradition of monogamy. Mastani stayed with Bajirao for some time in Shanivar Wada Palace in Pune city. In the northeast corner of the palace, it had its own outer door. Bajirao later built a separate residence for Rani Mastani at Kothurud in 1734. The site still exists today in the Mrityunjay temple on Karve Road, some distance from Shanivar Wada. After Bajirao's first wife Kashibai gave birth to a son, within a few months his second wife, Mastani, gave birth to a son named Krishna Rao. Bajirao had a strong desire to decorate his son born to Mastani and declare him a Brahmin. But despite being strong and mighty, even Bajirao could not convince the Santani Brahmin priests of Pune. With a heavy heart he had to raise his own son as a Muslim. Krishna Rao was eventually renamed Samsher Bahadur Pratham after Bajirao's death. Mastani died on the 28th of April 1740, but the cause of her death was never known till the end. According to some, she died of shock after learning of her husband's death. According to some, after learning that Bajirao was dead, she committed suicide by consuming poison. Many people are of the same opinion. After her death, Rani Mastani was buried at Pabal village in Shirur Taluka of Pune district. Her tomb is called Mastani's Mazar, i.e. mausoleum. Palaces, barracks, ponds and many historical buildings in Kasbe Patas, Taluka, Dond, district Pune, which witnessed the love story of Bajirao Peshwa Mastani, have remained neglected by the government and history lovers. Patas village is mentioned in the history as Jahagiri and homeland of Bajirao Peshwa. At Patus before Bajirao took Mastani to Pabal in Shirur Taluk. It is recorded in many Kandabaras and books that he was kept there. Mastani lived in Patas for 2 to 3 years. Bajirao, there are many records that he used to come to Patas to meet Mastani. It is found in novels and contemporary texts. Bajirao, he built a palace for Mastani at Patus. That the castle is still known as Mastani Wada. At some distance from the entrance to the west of the village, a barav, well, has been constructed for water. Here it is called Mastanichi Barav. Sri Anandeshwar temple and a lake has been built next to it, and it is called Mastani Lake. Is known. Mastani palace is in bad condition. There is a dargah in front of the palace from that time. This dargah belongs to Mastani. It is said that it should belong to close servants. A witness to the love story of Bajirao Mastani, many structures in Patus are currently on the verge of destruction are after the deaths of Bajirao and Mastani. The widow Kashibai took Mastani's 6-year-old son Samsher Bahadur, now Krishna Rao, into her home and raised Mastani's son Samsher Bahadur as a member of her family and gave Mastani's son Samsher Bahadur a place of honor in the Peshwa household and in politics. We should give it to Kashibai, the first Marathmoli wife. Samsher Bahadur was awarded part of his father's Banda and Kalpi dominions of Bajirao. Samsher Bahadur grew up to be a mighty warrior, and in the Third Battle of Panipat on the 14th of January 1761 his half-cousin Sadashiv Bhau and his half-nephew Vishwas Rao, who were Nana Sahib's lifeguards, were killed. Along with him Ahmad Shah Abdali fought against Durrani. Samsher Bahadur, barely 27, was wounded in that battle along with Sadashivarao Bhau and Vishwasrao and died a few days later at Deep. Samsher Bahadur's son, Ali Bahadur I, was given the province of Rajputana, which came as dowry of his grandmother I.e. Mastani. Jhansi, Sagar and Kalpi. During the Indian Rebellion of 1857, his son, Nawab Ali Bahadur II, responded to the Rakhi sent by Queen Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi and fought against the British. Ali Bahadur, Krishan Singh, established his authority over a large part of Bundelkhand and became the Nawab of Banda.